This video guides you through resetting the inverter password. Please confirm that this method applies to your product series. Pause to take a screenshot if needed. Step 1. Mobile device configuration. Turn off both WLAN and mobile network services. For Android users, disable mobile data. Open the FusionSolar app and select Commission Device. Stay on this page. Confirm the inverter is operating normally. This state must last for at least 3 minutes. The following actions must be completed within 4 minutes. Perform the first power off. If the inverter is connected to energy storage, disconnect the storage switch. After powering on, indicators will appear in solid on, rapid blinking, and slow blinking. Once slow blinking appears, immediately perform the second power off. Wait for all indicators to turn off, then immediately perform the second power on. After the first cycle of solid on, rapid blinking, and slow blinking, the inverter will restart after rapid blinking. After restarting, it will go through solid on, rapid blinking, and slow blinking again. Once slow blinking appears, scan the label on the inverter to reset the password. Let's review the entire process. You can take a screenshot. Re-enable WLAN before scanning. Click Connect. Set a new inverter password on this page.